Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unpin any post on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let us start our video. So for that purpose, go ahead, open your Facebook app. Over here you will see this kind of interface will open up once you're in your home page of your Facebook. Tap on this profile icon over here on your top left corner, scroll down, see all of the posts that you have done so far, right? So if you are fond of any of your particular posts that you would like to pin them, what you can do is simply go and tap on this three dot given on your post over here and tap on this pin post, and that particular post is now pinned. You can see it shows pinned post in that particular post right there. If you would like to unpin that particular post here on Facebook for the matter, go ahead, tap on this three dot again and tap on this unpin post. Easy, right? So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. Pinning and unpinning both is so yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got any curious regarding any of the concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll make sure to see you guys in our next video.